Yeah, I think in this generation, a lot of people might think that they only want to play sport. I understand, yes, their passion, their excitement, to go out there and play and take it as a profession. But I think it's also important that you also have your studies by your side. It's not just that you play sport and that's all. I think now in this generation, going to school, like let's say like 7th standard, 6th standard, even they are like, no, we want to fully focus on sport. But I think it's important. Studies and sport are also equally important, and I feel that you train for an hour in the morning and then go to school, come back and train for an hour or two in the evening. I think that keeps you refreshed. At the same time, not a 24 hours studying, but also you just take your mind a little bit aside and then go out there and enjoy playing sport, and that's how you'll be you'll be clear in your mind. At the same time, you also enjoy playing whichever sport you want to. So I feel it's equally important. I think firstly, getting stuck there, I think it's unfortunate. I mean, I couldn't do anything, and I'm sure you all know I put out in the social media as well how I was, and hopefully I was safe and came back home safely. But I think it's definitely very stressful, and missing out tournaments, I mean, it's so unfortunate. Everything was good, we started off well, and once we landed, it was like everything was chaos and everything had to shut. But at the end of the day, after staying like 3 days in Dubai, I thought at most, like, priority is life comes first, and that's how I've decided to come back. And even for Swiss, I think it was hardly like almost all the flights were getting cancelled, and it was such an hassle too. And I was also not in that space of mind that what's going to happen, because I've seen it with my eyes, and it was horrible. Like it was pretty bad, and my coach was like just 100 meters away. There was debris or whatever. He could hear a big sound, and that impacted him like really very much, and they all had to come out. So I mean, it's so sad that it's happening, but at the same time, I hope things will be fine soon. But at the same time, just worried that seeing the situation, it's getting worse and worse. It's just that even for traveling for tournaments or anything, I think apart from all that, I think life comes first, and that's the main priority. I mean, that's at the end of the day, you have to be safe. If you're safe, and then everything should be fine. But a lot of people losing their lives. I mean, we feel sad about it, but I hope things will resolve soon and come back to normal. And next would be Asian Championships. Okay. That's, I think, hardly 2 weeks from now, and that will be in China. So I hope by then the flights and everything will be fine, hoping the best. But yeah, that will be the next.
All the best.